GATE 2021 Civil Engineering Set 1 Question 55. Traversing is carried out for a closed traverse PQRS. The internal angles at vertices P, Q, R and S are measured as 92 degrees, 68 degrees, 123 degrees and 77 degrees respectively. If the forebearing of line PQ is 27 degrees, forebearing of line RS in degrees in integer is. The relevant NPTEL reference has been listed. Coming to the useful data for this problem, if we use the whole circle bearing, the relationship between back bearing and forebearing is given as these two relations. So if the forebearing is less than 180 degrees, we simply add 180 degrees to obtain the back bearing of that line. And if the forebearing provided is greater than 180, we subtract 180 to get the back bearing. Here both forebearing and back bearing should be used in value of degrees. Coming to the solution, so we are given a traverse P, Q, R and S and the internal angles are given, and we are also provided with the forebearing of one of the lines, and we need to find the forebearing of the line RS is what needs to be found. So first we will start with P. Let us assume this is P and the forebearing of PQ is given as 27 degrees. So it will be somewhat like this, where this will be 27 degrees, and let's say Q is somewhere here, and internal angle of P is given as 92, so it will be somewhat like this. So this is Q, so the internal angle at Q is given as 68 degrees, so 68 will be somewhat like this. So we can draw it further. This will be R. Internal angle at R is 123 degrees. It will be a large angle, so let us draw it something like this. So this will connect at S, which will be a total of 77 degrees. The internal angle at R is given as 123 degrees, and the internal angle at Q is 68 degrees. The internal angle at P is 92 degrees. So let us start from P. So we are given both the internal angle and the forebearing. So let us say this small angle is alpha. So alpha will be 90 minus 27, which would be 63 degrees. Now since we know alpha, we can find this angle. Let us say this is beta. So from right angle property we can say alpha plus beta will be 90 degrees. So beta would be 90 minus alpha, that is 63, which would give beta as 27 degrees. Now the remaining portion of this traverse angle, let us call it gamma. So gamma would be 68 minus 27, which would be 41 degrees. Now we know gamma, so by the property of alternate interior angles we can call this angle as gamma. So the forebearing of RS will be measured from the north axis up to the line RS. So let us call this angle as what we need to find as X. So we can see here X plus gamma plus 123 degrees would be a total of 360 degrees. So X plus 41 plus 123 would give 360. This would be x equals 360 minus 164 degrees, which is nothing but 196 degrees. So a traverse was provided whose internal angles were given and a forebearing of one line was given, and forebearing of one of the other lines was found using first principles. The forebearing was found out to be 196 degrees. Instead of using first principles, we can also use the data that was given, which is back bearing equals forebearing plus minus 180 degrees. But in this case, the answer could be found using first principles, so the corresponding equation was not utilized. The relevant NPTEL reference has been provided.